Hi, I'm Josh from Yolkk, and today we're going to be editing members on our networking website. So let's get started. So here I am logged in to the networking website with a couple of tabs down the bottom here. Yours might look slightly different, but what we'll need is just this collections one here. But first, what we're going to do to help us out throughout this process is open a new incognito window. This could be a private browser, whatever they call it on your browsing device. So I'm using Google Chrome, and I'm pressing new incognito window here. I'm going to open up the live website under that incognito window, and I think this is just really going to help during the process. On mine, I'm going to open it full screen so I can swipe between left and right. This is the live website. This is the editor here. Already we can actually see that this isn't showing properly on the editor. It does this for various elements. I use custom code for this here, hence why it's not displaying in editor. Anyway, let's dive in. Collections here. So if we go into collections, we've got various things that are editable, including members down here. Let's click on members. This website isn't live yet, so we're still adding all the members. So we've got 12 in at the second here, including myself. Let's just jump in and see the sort of format that we're going to be doing. So you can see that almost it just looks like a form, and that's really what it is. It's just a form that we have to fill in step by step. Let's also just open up here, menu, members, and just see a couple of things here. So if I just get rid of the, so we're on the home page here, we've got the members list open here, and I'm just going to click on web design, find myself, and open this as well here. So now I've got the home page, the members page, and my own page here. So if I go back here and click add new member, I will be adding a new member, but let's quickly just press select and just show you how you delete members. So you can go under here and click this and click delete. But before anyone does that, I just want to say that sometimes it's better to save them as a draft. So you can actually click down here and press save as draft or unpublish, which takes them off the main website and effectively means that if they were to rejoin the networking group, which people do sometimes go in and out, it just means their details have been saved here. So you can just unpublish them and keep them as a draft, or you can delete them entirely there with that delete button. But I'm going to press cancel, and now I'm going to press add new member. So press add new member here, and this is the start of the form. Just before I do that, I'm just going to check my little software, check that I'm still in the corner there, because this is actually, I've recorded it multiple times now because the camera hasn't been working or something has gone wrong. So there's some pretty basic stuff here. Put the name down, Joshua Windat. We've got various chapter seats here. So scroll down, see if the chapter seat is available there. And if it's not, you've got this little add tag in the right-hand corner here. I'm just going to press add, and I'm going to pop the seat in here. I'm going to be a business coach again. I actually saw it already there, but whatever, we're going to be a business coach. So it's saying business coach 3, and that is completely fine. I can delete it, I can edit it if I want to, and just be the business coach. Then we've got this section here. Now this is a tiny bit messy. I think that the trade-off is really worth it, but let me show you why. So under the member page here, I didn't want it so that, let's say the members came up immediately and you would have to scroll through like that. I really wanted it where anyone could get a snapshot of who is in this networking group immediately, just like they can from this here. But I also wanted it so that if they clicked anyone, for instance, let's go for charitable fundraising, it would take you straight down to that charitable fundraiser, i.e. Matt Lilly. And to do this, when you click it, you can see that it comes up saying the website /members #charity. If I go recruitment, #recruitment here, it takes me down to Kieran. Now to do this, I've just had to play around with this extra little bit here. So it just says create single word seat name. So I just take the full seat name and effectively just make it into a single word. It's as simple as that. This here, business coach, will display, for instance, here. So that's web design. So I want it to be 2 different words here, but here it's got to be one single word. I'm actually going to make it all lowercase as well, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't think that's necessary. Then we've got in-page go-to URL. So it just says copy and paste this into the box. There we go. Let's copy and paste that into the box. There we go. Now yours will look different. It not might look different, it will. This is just the staging URL here. It's not the main one, but copy and paste whatever's in there into that box and then add the single word seat name after the hashtag. Bam, simple as that. Press create, done. I'm just gonna press, no, I'll press create, why not? Business coach there. Then we've got review and networking tip. So if I go back to the live website, just to show you, this is the main page here. If I scroll down, all the way down, we've got, after frequently asked questions, member testimonials. So here I've put networking in BNI is my main sales tool, and I think I've only tapped into 25% of its potential. etc. Then we've got networking tips. Finding a referral partner is key. This might be inside or outside of the group. BNI isn't just a chapter, but a UK-wide network. So I just think it's really fun to have those elements in there. So you can press add there, and you can add them in here. Now, if your review of the networking group is below 4 stars, maybe just not put it. I'm just going to check it's recording again. Oh, this is music to my ears seeing that. Business name, of course, that's an easy one. Business logo. If you do have the design files, it's incredible. If you've got the SVG, that's what it asks for here. But otherwise, if I go to logo here, just putting a high quality logo in, that's all I'm looking for here. It can be black or it can be white. In fact, let me just show you. This is it across here. It's got this pretty horrible grey background actually, but I made it so that it could be black or white and anything will be seen. We've got link to website, link to LinkedIn, links to Instagram, all pretty obvious. You can copy and across that. Link to LinkedIn. Now, just to say, that is the link to LinkedIn there. But if I open LinkedIn immediately, that wouldn't come up with the right link. So you just need to go me, view profile. I'm sorry, Daria, I'm just going to press that. And then we've got me here. So I can copy that, and that is that there. So link to LinkedIn there. You can also put the Instagram and the Facebook there. Then the headshot, again, this whole website is meant to be professional. That's the point of it. It's a professional website. Therefore, if you click the little headshot thing here, please upload something of quality. If I go into my headshots here, I've got one that's, let's say, 7 megabytes or 306 kilobytes. Now, it's a website. We can't upload files that are 7 megabytes, 4 megabytes or so on. So really, under 0.5 megabytes is what we've got to go for here. So to do that, you could use a tool like Image Resizer .online. There's many of them out there. Just type in compress image, but this one's really nice. Image Resizer Online. Just press that, go to the file that you need. I've got this 7 megabyte file here. I need to refresh it because I did this earlier. I've got this image here. I can press use percentage size of it. Let's go for 40% size. WebP is the best format for the web. Quality 82% is what I want. Do that and look at that, 189 kilobytes is what it's come out as there. So I can just press upload that, downloads, 189 kilobytes, there we go. And I'm going to do it a second time as well, bam, bam. So that's image 1 sorted, and I've just put it in as image 2 as well, just to show you where these are. If I go across to my member page, we've got the name, the seat, the links, one image. Now, you cannot edit these images here. You can in a separate video, but these are actually self-populated. So just to say that you can, but it's a separate video I'm doing for that. This is where the second image sits, just here. Then we've got the bulk of the information here. So this is it here, section heading 1, main body. This is what I refer to, about me and Yolkk. Okay, it even tries and describes it here. Create your own title about me, whatever it may be. You're definitely not going to put Yolkk in there, but you could put services there. Then main body here. Now let me just triple check. Oh, again, music to my ears, honestly, guys. So under this main body here, you can click this little add button and you can add in pictures like this here. And you can play around with those pictures to be full screen, to the right, to the left, so on, so on. You can also add bullet points. You can add lists, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even add videos and all kinds of jazzy stuff in there. Probably the easiest thing if you're time pushed to do is to just go straight to your LinkedIn, copy it and paste it in there. Now, I already knew it was going to do that. It hasn't come out with the correct formatting there. So you might need to go to your word processor, i.e. Microsoft Word or Pages or something like that, paste it into there, copy it again into here, and again, we've got much better formatting in there. The last trick of the video, the very last one, is that you can add headings in here. So you can put example heading in there, highlight it, and you've got this H1, H2, H3 tags. I've got whole blog articles about this. How to do SEO properly, where is it here? Creating SEO content is there. So you can go and check out more on that there, but you can add in effectively titles there. So this is an H2 tag here, that's the size of an H2. This is an H3 one down here. So I've got H3s all the way down. So just to say that you can really play around with this body segment here. Yeah, basically go and enjoy, make it your own, leave this alone, this admin only, nothing's done with it in a second, but effectively all you need to now just do is press create and then publish at the top here. So publish this one here. And if you go under the live website, it should all appear. Now you have the ability to go into other people's sections here, and unless they've given you permission, please don't do that. There's a lot of trust between this whole sort of thing here. But let me just show you here that this should have populated as a business coach. Business coach, there we go. And there we go, my second headshot in there, quite moody, a bit of blue steel going on there. Just to show how this works, this is actually randomized. So I think every 10 minutes or so, it just randomizes itself. So if I refresh the page, it won't do anything, but it does, it is a random thing, and I wanted to keep this extremely fair. So yeah, go and check out the other videos if you want to add articles, blog posts, news about the chapter, or edit text on the main website if you've spoken to the admins of this website and you're allowed to do that. So yeah, go and watch the other videos there. I hope it's been smooth sailing, and yeah, catch you next time. Bye for now.